This course is designed to help you master payments, from basics to advanced topics like ISO 8583, HSM security, and digital transactions. The payments ecosystem involves multiple players. Banks issue cards, merchants accept payments, and card networks like Visa and MasterCard enable transactions. Acquirers and issuers process payments securely. Every payment has 3 key steps: authorization, clearing, and settlement. Let's break them down one by one. Authorization is the first step. The bank checks if the customer has enough balance and approves or declines the transaction instantly. The payments ecosystem consists of banks, merchants, and card networks working together to process transactions. Let's move to the clearing and settlement process. Here, banks exchange transaction details and verify records. Once clearing is done, the final step is settlement, where the merchant receives the payment in their bank account. Clearing and settlement is the process where the transaction details are shared between banks to confirm the payment. ISO 8583 is the global standard for card transaction messaging between banks and networks. HSM and cryptography. Encryption and HSM, hardware security module, keep your transactions safe and secure. Digital payments. Tokenization, QR payments, and 3D secure enhance security in digital transactions.